Hey, Daniel Lanier here, and I'm continuing a series on bike lighting so you guys can be safe and lit up at night if you're riding your bike. If you guys didn't see the video on the ZFL Smart Helmet, it's got a backlight on the helmet to keep you lit up at night, and that's what you want. You want to stay as lit as possible at night. So we're going to continue that on. Now we're going to talk about the Victagen, and what this is a front headlight, so it's that front beam for your light. It also comes with a little tail light, little back tail light for your bike as well. It has 3 power settings. It has a low, medium, and high. This thing is 2400 lumens on high, and it's supposed to run for a minimum of 4 hours on the high setting. So if you run it in a combination type of thing, you might get more than 4 hours. So really cool. We're going to unbox it. I'm going to tell you guys what's in the box. We're going to take a look. We're going to get it set up on the bike, and then I'm going to show you guys some different lighting situations with the Victagen front headlight for your bike. Let's do it. All right, so here we go. So we have a Velcro strap, and that's to hold the battery pack. As you can see, it's a very large battery pack. That's how you're going to get that 4 hours or more out of the battery. So like I said, it's 4 hours on high. So with the combination of the different beam settings, you can get probably more battery life than that. That's a charger where it's just a USB charger, so you can hook this up to any USB charger that you already have. Clamp for your handlebars, so it's a clamp for your handlebars. And then this is the front light itself. So here's our front light right here, and I love this dual light setup. That's actually really the cool features about this to me. Is the dual light setup is really cool, and that just slides on the clamp right there, plugs into the battery pack. So that's your front light, and then like I said, it comes with a rear light as well. And the rear light is just a little red light, and that's going to go around your seat post on your bike. All right, so pretty simple. Not a lot to this. It's really easy. Let's talk about a couple of things in here. We're going to talk about some of the functionality a little bit, and then we'll get all the way into putting it on the bike. All right, let's go through all the components, and then we'll get set up on the bike. So let's start off with the battery pack. So the battery pack, this is your battery pack. So like I thought when I initially bought this, I thought this was like extra power, and you actually charge the light and then you can have extra power. No, this is the battery pack for the light. You have to have these two things hooked up in order for it to go. I want to make sure that everybody is really clear on that. This is not extra power. This is the power source for the light. Okay, so to charge this up is not a hard process. So you got a little plug in here, just like you would plug a AC power plug or something like that. So you're just going to plug it right in just like that. And then when you plug this into any USB charger that you have, you're going to plug it in, and then this is going to turn red while you're charging, and it's going to turn green when you're not charging, when it's full. So red while you're charging, green when it's full. So when the battery's done charging, green. Charging, red. All right, pretty simple there. All right. And then we've got our front light itself right here. So there's a front light, and I just love that 2-light setup. Pretty cool. And again, you're just going to plug this into the battery. Now you've got these indicator lights right here. You can't see them right now. Let me put this in the dark so you guys can see it a little better, because I want you guys to understand what these 3 lights are, because that's going to tell you what your battery power is. So let me just put this in the dark so you guys can see it a little better. All right, so let's look at the battery indicator here. So you've got 3 battery lights here. So if you have all 3 lights on, that means your battery is between 80% and 100%. If you only have 2 lights on, that means your battery is between 30% and 80%. If you only have 1 light on, that means your battery is between 10% and 30%. If you have 1 flasher, so you've got 1 light flashing, that means you're on low battery and you need to charge. All right, so that's that. The power on button is right here. Each time you click it, you're going to get into your different modes. You can hold it down and get it into off or get it into the strobe, because when you go, so I'll show you guys that in the dark so you guys can actually see the power of this light, which is pretty cool. 2400 lumens, and they say it's about 900 feet. It definitely powers, gets the light ahead of you, so you can really see ahead of you for sure. But I'll show you guys. So each click is just going to give you a different power mode. And then when it turns off in that last power mode, if you hold it down again, that'll give you the strobe, okay? So you click, 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 that's your 3 power modes, and then just hold it down, and then that'll put it in the strobe mode for you, okay? So make sure you guys know that. All right, so that's that. Then you got your battery clamp here. I'm sorry, your handlebar clamp. So this is just going to go on your handlebars. The light just slides right on there. Then you got a little release right here to release it off. So it just slides right on. We'll do that in a second. And then you got your tail light. This just clips right around your seat post. So it's just going to clip on your seat post. I thought this might pop off when I first saw it. Never came off. Rode for hours. No issues at all. Worked great. And this has a strobe as well. You click it once, it's going to give you a red light. And you click it again, it's going to give you a strobe light. So you got a strobe on here as well. So you want to make sure people see you, and you got it. All right, let's get in. All right, here it is, the Victagen in action, and I got some different lighting conditions set up for you. So this is well lit, but from a great distance, you can still see that tail light. Still looks good coming around here, so you can see the front light. Front light looks good, so you're going to be able to see, and people are going to be able to see you. Let's go a little darker. So here, you can see from a greater distance, you can still see that tail light. That tail light looks great from a far distance away. And the front light, look at that. I mean, this thing looks like a car light. Get that flasher on so people can recognize you and see you. That flash is going to draw attention to you. The same with the back flasher. When you turn on these flashers, that's to give yourself more attention so people can, it breaks up the light so people can see you better. And that's why you would turn these flashers on. So I got a back flasher as well where you can look and you can see where, again, from a great distance, you're going to be able to be seen. Let's go full dark on this thing. Look at that backlight. I mean, this thing is cutting the darkness. You're going to be able to be seen with this light. All right, I want to show you how good this beam looks lighting the path in front of you. Let's go to low. Let's go to medium, and let's go to high. You are really going to feel safe using this light. All right, as you can see, the Victagen looks great. Let's take a look at the setup. All right, there it is, that Victagen light. We got the front light, we got the tail light. I had a lot of fun testing this product out, going out at night, doing some night rides, something I've been wanting to do a lot of. So now I've got a cool setup for that, and I hope you guys have an idea of something that can help you out if you want to be out riding at night and make sure you're visible. The 3 different modes, you got your low, medium, high. You got plenty of visibility. People are going to see you, and you're going to be able to see with this light. Battery life, haven't had issues. Did an 8-mile ride, and it didn't go out on me, so it worked fine, and I kept it on high pretty much the whole time, so worked great. It's got that flasher too, so people can see you. Just a great all-around light. IP65 rating, so you don't have to worry about getting caught in the rain, or if you're out on the trail and you get splashes on it, gonna be great for you. So the Victagen, $24. This light is $24. Forgot to throw that in there. $24 for this light. Come on, you got the front, you got the back. What an awesome deal, $24. That's on Amazon, got a link in there for you. So pretty awesome deal. This is Daniil Lanier. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Hit some likes for me. Got more reviews, more how-tos, DIY, and of course some cool motivation coming at you. Daniil Lanier, I'm out. Deuces.